Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, we are going to build this one-screen website using only HTML and CSS. At the top, you can see the menu with smooth line hover effect. On the right side, there is a link to the account page. And in the middle of the website, we have some content, a heading, description, and a button with background color hover effect. It's quick and easy project, perfect for beginners, so let's get started and I hope you will find it useful. Here I have this folder, and in this folder I have one HTML file, one CSS file, and another folder called images. Inside of this folder I have one account icon and background image. So let me open this project with my editor. I'm going to use VS Code, but you can use any editor you like. So this is the HTML file where we have this basic HTML code. And this is our CSS file where we have Google font and some styles like box sizing, margin, padding, and font family. Let's come back to our HTML file, and here you can see we have this link tag. This is to connect our HTML and CSS files. So this is all about files and we can start coding, but before we do that, let's check our design. As you can see, this is a one-screen website, and here we have header part and some content. I'm going to start from header part, so let me create header tag. And inside of our header, we have navigation. And our list has 4 items. Okay, let me copy and paste this 4 times. Okay, good. After here we have our account icon. This is a link to account page, so I'm going to create a tag. We can open it with browser. As you can see here, we have our menu and account icon. Let's come back to our design. And here you can see we have background image. So first of all, let's add our background image. And here we have our background image. Let's check our design, and here you can see that our header has some width. Then I want to center my header. Okay. And as you can see here, we have our header centered, but now we have some browser default styles and we need to reset them. Okay, let's come back to our design, and here you can see that all our texts are in white color. So let's add some global styles to our body. Our main font size is 16 pixels. Okay, I want to position horizontally these items, and I'm going to use display flags. Then I want to do the same thing to our menu. And as you can see here, we have some spacing between our items, 65 pixels. So I'm going to add gap. Then our header has some padding top, 45 pixels. I want to add 45 pixels from top and bottom and 25 pixels from left and right. But if we give some padding from left and right, we need to increase our maximum width. Okay, and I want to add hover effect to my menu links. Okay guys, here we have our line hover effect. Our content has heading, description, and button. So I'm going to create section tag. And inside of our content here we have some box. And our box has heading, description, and button. Let's add some styles, but before we do that, we need to add position fixed to our header. Now we need to position to decenter our content. Okay, then our box has 900 pixels width. And all our texts are centered. Now let's add some styles to our heading. Our heading has 50 pixels font size, and here we have 25 pixels spacing between our heading and description. Okay, let's come back to our design. And here you can see that our description has 700 pixels width. And I want to center my description. Okay, and here I want to add some spacing between my lines. Okay. Then as you can see here, we have spacing between our description and button. Okay, and we are going to add some styles to our button. Our button has orange background color, rounded corners. Our font weight is bold. And here we have paddings, 18 pixels from top and bottom and 41 from left and right. And I want to uppercase my letters. Okay guys, this is our content, but I want to add hover effect to my button. And when we hover, we have this background color hover effect. So this is how you can build this simple website. I hope it was useful for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and have a great day.